see your hand, sir. We have to make sure you're clean enough to be out here. Spread peace, not corona. Okay, we're safe. Hey man.
Hey, how's it going out here?
Going pretty good. How are you?
Hey, we're checking out. Looks like you guys are skating safe during the pandemic.
We are.
And so we just wanted to see about getting some tricks and tips for how we can stay safe during this crazy time.
Sounds good. Sounds good. The pandemic says go inside, lock yourselves up. But we believe that we can practice safety and still go out and do the thing we love, and that's skateboarding.
Tape measure, what's the best way to keep 6 feet apart?
Well, a standard skateboard could be anywhere from, well, the old schools are 29s, but we ride standard popsicle. They're about 33, 32 inches. So 6 feet, you multiply that times 2, that's pretty close. So me and Luciano, we're like, that's practicing safety. When you're riding, there's no doubles allowed during this time. We love to do doubles. This guy loves to run me over inside of bowls.
And then, so it looks like you guys are taped up here.
Yes, sir.
Making sure nothing's getting through the...
We don't want anything. I had a blowout earlier on my glove. Scared me to death. I ran up, switched out gloves, got some hand sanitizer over there. We got like a quart of it.
All right, any other tips to make sure we're all safe out here, but yet getting our skate on?
I would say just follow the rules. If the park is closed, don't go inside it. They might fill it full of sand like they do out in California and Wiley, Texas. We don't want that happening here at McKinney or any other parks. Just stay 6 feet apart, enjoy yourselves, have fun, but go out and live life. We live by faith, so that's why we're not worried. That's a wrap. Cut. A Corona. But I'm okay. Look at that.